What's the meaning of comic book? Comic book. Comic book.
Comic book. Comic book. A comic book is a publication that consists of comic art in the form of sequential panels that represent individual scenes. These panels feature a combination of illustrations and text, typically presenting a narrative story or conveying a message. Comic books can cover a wide variety of genres, including superhero, science fiction, fantasy, horror, and romance. They are often produced on a periodic basis and are widely enjoyed by readers of all ages around the world.